So today we're looking at step calibration. Open your file, select your patient, create a new recording, check that you've claimed your sensors, click OK, come over to configurations and click sensitivity. 28 is what we should be set for. The right, see how it's blue. The left, highlight so it's blue. And now we can change the sensitivity in that one. Sensitivity, and again it must be 28, they must be equal. Click OK. Click into calibration. We're going to click into step, put in my weight, 85 kilos. Press the plus, and now you'll see the system is telling us to stand on our right foot, so stand all your weight on the right foot. The system will count down and shortly give you an indication that you should change to your left, and here's the indicator that you should change, and at 0, change to your left foot now, and the countdown will continue, and shortly you'll get another indicator to move to your right foot. And here comes the indicator. There's the indicator. Get ready and move to your right now. You're on your right foot. Stay on your right foot until the information has been recorded. You can see that on the green slide, and it's recorded. You can rest now on both feet. The computer is now calculations to the tiles, and you can see down the bottom, you'll see it says left and right are now calibrated. Click OK. And now we're ready. Change the legend. No, we don't. Keep the legend the same. We're going to do a recording. Click record. We go for a walk down through our gate room. And as we're walking along, we're getting a live feed back to our desktop. And once it's finished, it will note that it's finished the recording. It will then allow us to see the averages. We go to averages, click averages. Remove the first and last stance, click OK, click OK again for the other foot. Now we go into stance analysis, our peak pressure graphs, and you can move these graphs by just clicking on them and dragging them up, and you can see that we're able to get to a position where we can see the differences. Now, not everyone can stand still on 2 feet, so different methods to make your clients safe during this process is the reach. Standing near the wall with their arm extended up the wall so there is no weight taken through the wall but through their foot only. The other method is what we call the frisk. Simply standing arm's length from the wall, both hands at shoulder height, shoulder width apart. And for those that really struggle with balance, you can do the koala, where they just stand at a door frame and grab hold of that to help stabilise themselves. Whatever you do, make sure they're safe and have a great time. Thank you.